In this video, we're going to review blade chains for the Slice utility scrapers, both the manual 10591 and the auto retract 10593. Today we're going to discuss the Slice scrapers, both the 10591 manual retract and the 10593 auto retract. These products are ambidextrous by design, so there's no worries about left-handed use or right-handed use. It ships by default with our 10526 rounded tip blade, but you also have the option of using our 10528 pointed tip blade. Blade change is very simple, but first let me show you the difference between auto retract and manual. As the name suggests, auto retract requires you to hold the slider button out during usage at all times. This is a safety feature. That way when you let go of the button, the blade goes back into the housing automatically and you can't leave it lying around with the blade exposed. It's a great safety feature to have auto retract. We suggest using the auto retract whenever possible. Conversely, the manual retract, just as the name suggests, you have to manually pull the blade back into the housing by sliding the slider button back. If you let go of the slider button on the manual, the blade stays out, unlike the auto retract. Really simple. Let's go over the blade change. It's similar for both. You have to expose the blade before you can exchange the blade, of course. You'll see the icon here of the unlock button. You need to slide the slider button out as far as it could go, then depress that little icon all the way down and continue pushing the slider button until you expose the blade fully. You'll see the notch. Just pull the blade out and then put your new one in, aligning the notch with the tab on the blade carrier, and let go of the slider button and it goes right back in, and then you're back in business. Conversely, for the manual retract, again, you have to expose the blade. There is the icon with the little unlock icon. You have to push it down while you're exposing the blade a little bit further with the slider button, and you'll see the notch. You just pull it out, put the new blade in, you line the notch on the blade with the notch on the blade carrier, push it down, slide the slider back, and you're back in business. That's an easy blade change. Again, there's manual, there's auto. They both come standard with a 10526 blade. They're ambidextrous by default. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of our latest videos.